In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a website from Godaddy Website Builder. If you want to remove your website from public view, Godaddy gives you a simple way to do that from inside the website builder. In this process, you will open the editor, go into your site settings, and then unpublish the site. This takes the website offline so visitors can no longer access it on the web. To begin, sign in to your Godaddy account and open the website you want to remove. Once you are on the dashboard for that site, look for the option labeled Edit Website or Edit Site. Click that to open the Visual Page Builder. This is the area where you normally make changes to your pages, design, and content. After the builder loads, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a panel with different options for managing the site. In that panel, click Settings. This section contains the more general controls for your website, beyond just the visual layout and page content. Inside Settings, look through the available options and select Site Settings. This is where Godaddy places important site-level controls, including the option you need to take the website offline. Make sure you are in the correct section before moving on, since the Unpublish option is located here. Next, scroll to the bottom of the menu and click Unpublish. Once you do this, the site will be taken offline and removed from public view. That means people will no longer be able to visit the live version of the website through its public address. If your goal is to stop the site from being visible online, this is the key action that completes the process. It is important to understand that unpublishing removes the site from public access, but it does not necessarily mean every part of the project is permanently erased from your account. So before clicking Unpublish, take a moment to confirm that this is exactly what you want to do. That is the full process to delete a website from Godaddy Website Builder by taking it offline through the Unpublish option. Open the site editor, go to Settings, choose Site Settings, and click Unpublish at the bottom. That covers everything you need to know.